Hi everybody, my name is Nali. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make Som Thum Thai papaya salad. So here I have a whole green papaya that we bought from Walmart. I don't know if your Walmart sells papaya, but mine does. They sell a lot of Asian stuff. And if you need papaya, go to your nearest Asian store. They normally will have papaya. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to peel this papaya with this thing called zigzag. Normally, the OGs would use a knife, but I'm kind of lazy and this is much easier for me. See how easy it is? I'm also not going to shred that much today. I'm going to just shred whatever I need and put the rest in the fridge and then bring it out whenever I'm going to make it again. Now that our papaya is peeled, I'm just going to go ahead and shred it with the same tool I used to peel it. Okay, you know that is really easy, right? This is why I keep using this tool. It's very easy. See how pretty it is and how fast that was just to shred it? Okay, I'm going to keep on shredding it until I have enough. Okay, it looks like we have enough, so let's start preparing our ingredients. We have the garlic, fresh chili. If you don't have the fresh one, you could use dry one. Fermented fish sauce, MSG, and you know that's optional. Some dried shrimp. Palm sugar, I just shaved it because I have the hard one. Here's a picture of the palm sugar that I use. Concentrated tamarind sauce. Our fish sauce. Fresh lime. And some long beans. And the roasted peanut. And we have our tomatoes. You could use any size, small, big, any color. And of course, the star of the show, our papaya. In the mortar pesto, add in your dried shrimp, your fresh peppers, and if you don't have the fresh chili peppers, you could always use the dried one. Add in your garlic, your MSG, and then add in the palm sugar. Mine was hard as a rock, so I had to shave it. That's why it looks like that. Now you want to smash it, but just be careful that it doesn't jump on your eye, because that has happened to me before. Oh my God, ouch. It hurts. And it should look something like that, pretty smashed. Okay, let's add in our other ingredients, our tomatoes. Like I said, any kind works, any size, any color. Add in your lime. If you like it sour, add more. If you don't add too many. Add in the fish sauce. Our fermented fish sauce, our concentrated tamarind sauce. Now just give it a quick mix or pound or smash. Just make sure that it's all incorporated and all of our sugars dissolved. Also, this is the time to taste your sauce. So if you like it sour, add more lime. If you like it sweet, add more sugar. Remember, make this to your taste. See all that yummy juice? Doesn't that look delicious? Oh, I could smell the umami. Can't wait to eat it. Okay, now that you admire the sauce, let's put in the rest of the ingredients. Go ahead and add in the long bean. I don't like my long bean too smashed, so I just leave it like that so it gives it some crunch. And of course, the star of the show, our shredded papaya. If you don't have papaya, don't worry about it. If you have carrots, use carrot. If you have cucumbers, use cucumber. Or even any kind of fruits. And go ahead and give that a quick pound a little bit more. And then add in half of your roast peanut. I'm saving the other half to garnish the plate. Give it a final last smash. Okay, finally done. Let's plate this. Before I plate it, I just got to show you the beauty of it. Doesn't that look fabulous? I know you're drooling because I know I was. All right, getting too hungry. Let's go ahead and plate this up. In the plate, I have some fried up pork skin that I bought from the store. Here, I'll show you the picture, and also just shredded cabbage to eat with it. I'm also going to eat this with some sticky rice and just dip it in the sauce. And my other half of the roast peanut, I just went ahead and top it off with that. If you like the video, please subscribe, comment below, and hit the like button. And if you get a chance to make this, come back to my video and comment below and tell me how that went. Thanks for watching.